Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I posted a picture featuring 14 new clear jelly stamper stamping polishes that I've purchased from Nail.supplies. It's the UK stockist of clear jelly stamper products. You can find all the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. Now this swatching video on these stamping polishes is different to my normal way of doing stamping polish swatch videos. Let me know what you think, or if you prefer the older way that I used to do it. Here are all 14. It's so colourful, it's like a rainbow. I'm going to be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper along with my favourite scraper, and I'm going to be using a clear jelly stamper stamping plate which hasn't yet come to my channel. It will be though. This is CJSC 14 Diamonds in Ice, and I'll be swatching this large image, and I'll be doing 2 swatches from each colour on 2 white and black pop sticks, and I'll be doing them in number order, and I'll start with 005 Wild Child, which is this amazing bright pink. Almost want to say it's neon. I've only purchased the 5ml bottles. I'm still figuring out which ones I would like in the 10ml, and also these fit in my stamping box really well as the 10ml don't. And 005 Wild Child has stamped really well over both the white and the black. I have to say, I absolutely love it over the black. Now I have also swatched each colour over 3 different colours as well, but I'm unsure on where they'll be in the video. But I've swatched over light purple, baby pink and silver. 007 PJs is a baby blue colour. I don't think I have any baby blue in any brands. Now personally, over white it didn't work. You can hardly see it, which I was a little surprised at, but it has worked over the black. I also swatched it over 2 different blues and a silver. I really do like the Clear Jelly Stamper. They are a brilliant stamping polish brand to have in your collection. You can't go wrong with them. Next is 008 You Are My Sunshine, and this is definitely what I would call a custard yellow. It is stunning. You will notice, if you've been watching my latest videos, that a lot of these colours will be replacing some from brands that I have for the layered stamping. This is definitely one of them. And what I love about this yellow is not only does it look great over white, but when over black it doesn't change to that sort of funny yellow green colour. I've also swatched over green, orange and red. 010 Got to Be Blue is a medium tone blue. Now this is the first time that I've swatched these, so as I was working with them I was like, ooh, that's nice, ooh, I like that. But I have to say that I was really surprised that this blue stamped so well over black. But with Clear Jelly Stamper being so pigmented, they worked fantastically. This blue will be used quite a bit in the winter for snowflakes. I've also swatched it over silver, light blue and pink. On to 012 Glee Tree Green. And this is a super bright green. It is so bright. It's not quite neon though, I don't think. Now I've got 2 clear jelly stamper plates to swatch that are coming to my channel, and this polish will be used a lot. It'll be great for things like leaves and grass, and I can't wait to get started on them. I've also swatched 012 over purple, yellow and green. One thing I do really like about clear jelly stamper polishes is how easy they are to clean up from both skin and stamping plate or pop stick. They really are so easy to work with. 016 Shiraz is a stunning purple. Now I know that I'll be using this one quite a bit, not only within my swatches but on myself personally as well. I've swatched it over a pinky purple, a blue and a light pink, but again I'm really surprised about how well it has swatched over black. All of these swatches will be over on my Instagram over the next few days, so you can have a closer look at them. There is a link in the description box, so make sure you're following me over there as well. Now this one and the next polish I think I could have chosen slightly better, and I'm going to slightly compare them two together as well. So when I was shopping for these polishes, I went for two different purples, 016 which you've just seen and 018 which I'll be swatching next. But they really are really close in colour. So I've also swatched 018 over the same pinky purple, blue and pink, just so you can see the difference. 018 has a more pinkier tone to it than 016, but they are both stunning polishes though. And 018 is called Bought Beverages. I love the names that Clear Jelly Stamper come up with, not only for their polishes but their stamping plates too. It's little things like this that I like, not just a number. I do think I should have maybe gone for a more pastel-y purple instead of this one. I'll get that next time. And then I've actually put the swatches together, so you have 018 on the left and then 016 on the right, and hopefully you can see the difference. One is definitely darker than the other. 022 Clementine is a gorgeous orange, and another one that I'll be using quite a bit for two upcoming Clear Jelly Stamper plates. This is also replacing another polish for layering as well, but I love the consistency of their polishes. Now I have had to shake a few, but it is the first time I've used them, and to be honest I have done that many times with other brands as well. I've also swatched this over a red, purple and yellow. I wasn't so overly keen on the black swatch. It sort of lost its brightness, which unfortunately can happen. And I'm also not very keen over it over the red either. You really can't see it very well at all. Next is 027, The Eyes of a Unicorn. I love the name of this one. This was purchased to replace another polish from another brand. You're most probably sitting there, if you follow me, going, oh yes, that will replace that one. Oh yes, and that will replace that one. I was hoping that this was going to be much bolder though in colour than it actually is. It's still very pretty though. I've also swatched this over a light blue, silver and pink. It is so pretty over the light blue, and it's definitely a colour combo that I want to do in the near future. Next we have 030 Plum Crazy, and this is absolutely stunning. I almost didn't buy this one. This got put in my basket last, and I would have been the crazy one for not purchasing it. I'd have kicked myself as well. It is so pretty over the white, but especially over the black. It is gorgeous. I've also swatched this over two different sort of pinky purples and a silver. 030 will probably be featured quite a bit in my videos. I'm also super excited to make money using these stamping polishes as well. Moving on to 031, You Had Me at Chocolate, and yes, I am a chocoholic and this just had to be purchased. So purchasing a brown stamping polish from Clear Jelly Stamper was a big must, and most probably the reason I put this order in. I was having a lot of problems using brown for layering, and this brown is stunning. It's not the same as my other one though. That one had more of a reddy tone in it, but I was super surprised to see that it actually worked over black. I've also swatched it over a nude, yellow and an orange, and again this polish will be used quite a bit for me. I love a good brown stamping polish. Moving on to 046, and this is called Enchanted Slippers. Now the polish that I really wanted was, I'm sure it's called Ring on the Bubbly. but unfortunately it was out of stock. So I chose this one instead. I'm not a fan of using the bright golds. I wanted a more of a soft gold colour. And this is sort of like a champagne type colour. It is really so pretty though. And this one I actually want to use on myself quite a bit. Over the black, it has come out with more of a silver tone, but I've also swatched it over red, brown and blue, but they all look stunning. So moving on to 055 Burnt Red, and this is a stunning, what I would call burgundy colour. However, this is a big however. The first swatch came out okay-ish. There was some blurriness here and there. So when I went to do the black, it didn't come out. So I tried again, and as you can see through, that was terrible. It's so patchy, it's unreal. And I've not been able to pick it up since the white at the beginning of the 005 Burnt Red. I am super disappointed because I so wanted to use this one, but I am not giving up. I will get this polish to work. It will not beat me. However, it has left my scraper very stained, as it is so super pigmented. But I don't know what. I've tried different plates working with it. I've tried different stampers. I've tried all sorts, and I just don't know what to try next. So I will get there with it though. And finally onto the last polish, which is 077 Lush Leaf, and this is from their new spring stamping polishes. I have been wanting a deep dark green for leaves and grass for so long, probably since I started stamping, and I finally have it. If you want a dark green with no shimmer, this is the polish. It's absolutely amazing and it's stunning. I've also swatched it over gold, green and yellow, and I think that I'm going to need a bigger bottle of this because it is going to be one that will be featured a lot. I can't tell you how chuffed I am that I've finally found it. So I hope that you have liked my new look to swatching stamping polishes. Let me know what you think. Yes, no, maybe. I've left all the links for Clear Jelly Stampers' social media along with my Instagram page link in the description box. I also hope that you found this video helpful if you're looking for some new Clear Jelly Stamper polishes. I know that I'll be looking into some more very soon, along with some more stamping plates. So thank you for watching my swatch review on these Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.